Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Also, may date na rin po ba ang finals ng MUPH 2025?
Okay. Tentatively, the launch will be on February 15. And yun na yung presentation ng mga candidates. So, I don't know if it will be a press presentation or just welcoming the candidates.
Yeah, basta it's going to be a grand launch.
Right. It's a launch. The launch is tentatively on February 15. And tentatively, again, the finals will be before end of April or before May.
Yeah, so we are going to make it earlier this time because of the election.
Yes.
So, para hindi tayo sabay sa election, so...
Baka malito sila sa candidates.
Malito, oo, at saka...
May lagay sa balota.
Hindi, medyo magulo ang election. So, it's going to be earlier than the election.
Okay.
So, in April.
May follow-up question po ako. So, last edition, aside from the Miss Universe Philippines crown, there are 4, I guess, na crowns. So, what happened last edition, same lang din po ba yung mangyayari? Like, sa top 10 po ba kukunin yung ibang crowns? Or mag-stick po tayo kung sino lang yung nasa top 5? Kasi, ang daming pageant fans yung naguluhan. Like, what happened? May, aside from Chelsea, the winner, and the first runner-up to fourth runner-up, the other crowns hinugot sa top 10 na finalist.
Okay. Medyo mahirap na tanong yan. Anyways, there are a lot of crowns still. Pareho pa rin ang crowns, but it's a surprise. We cannot tell you as of the moment. Kasi ayaw kong magbitaw ng salita and then, ay, sinabi ni Mads, ganyan-ganyan. And then, babaguhin natin. We don't want to retract anything. That's why, of course, almost the same, but meron lang konting changes. And regarding sa kwento mo na naguluhan yung mga tao, actually, it's not the problem with the MUPH. Sa mga, sa mga winners, they just want Miss Universe Philippines crown. That's the reason behind. But there's nothing wrong with that. Yung iba lang kasi, they don't, it's not that they don't accept it, but they really like the crown, the major crown, the Miss Universe Philippines.
Last one question.
To add to that, definitely we will be crowning more queens on pageant night.
More queens?
More title.
Surprise naman, Maru! Right after, di ba, ginagawa natin pageant night and then right after.
Oh, exciting.
I would just like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Marjorie Lusos.
Last question po, sorry na. So last year, parang the Miss Universe Philippines went to somewhere in Mindoro or Marinduque, and
Sultan Kudarat.
And Sultan Kudarat and Boracay. So this, for 2025 po, may target na province na po ba? Kasi if ever, baka allowed the media to cover the event if ma-open siya. Kasi last time, nagkabiglaan din, hindi ready yung pageant medias, and we really wanted to support the Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Oh, thank you very much. You're so sweet.
Totoo yun.
Hindi. Minsan kasi depende actually sa nag-host. Oo. Siyempre, if their schedule, no, I mean the host city or province, depende sa kanila yung scheduling eh. So, we don't have any hold on their schedules. So, pag sinabi nilang, okay, May, go na sa May 15, that's the only time that they have. So, they allotted this time for us. So, it's really hard. So, we cannot tell pa. Pero, there are a lot of provinces and cities who are very interested to host Miss Universe Philippines.
Non-final ba?
Pwede po bang
Hindi
mag-name
pwede.
ng some?
Pwede bang mag-name ng ibang ng some of the provinces?
Michelle, ikaw ha?
Pero pwede kasi pag hindi natuloy, yan ang magiging problem.
Oh yeah.
Kasi mahirap i-mention yung mga names ng mga prospective provinces kung hindi patuloy. Kawawa naman sila.
Pag hindi natuloy.
But at
O
least,
yung high society.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Yeah, of course.
Ano ikaw pala yun?
Oo nga.
Hinahanap ko
Society.
hinahanap ko
Society.
Ay,
Alta.
siya pala yun.
Ay, alam ko, ay social climber. Mamaro and Miss Mans, dun sa 80 na parang sabi niya na parang
More or less.
80 candidates, ilan po doon yung overseas na? From overseas?
Mga 14.
1-4.
1-4.
For now, it's 14. More or less.
Oo. And regarding dun sa residency, kasi parang nagkaroon ng issue about
Yes,
sa Miss
oo.
Universe na dapat
Correct.
kailangan resident ng Philippines or ng
Ng isang country.
country.
Oo.
So, paano po iyon?
That is why we're going to have a meeting on tomorrow actually on how to deal with it.
Later.
Later actually.
Pwede po ba
Tomorrow
ilayin
ba?
namin yung
Ano na?
Pwede po ba ilayin
Hindi kasi, pero tama ka, it was released already na dapat at least 6 months of residency sa country that you are representing. So the problem now is, paano yung ating mga overseas? So kailangan pumunta na dito or they should have, I don't know what's going to happen.
Kasi last year, noong 2024, it was stated na basta may
Passport.
maka-provide ka ng
Passport.
and residency, kahit hindi ka nakatira
Yeah.
dito, pwede. This time, sabi ni Miss Universe, kailangan resident ka. May
Miss
6 months ka na
Universe.
residency dito sa Pilipinas.
Mhm.
So, yun ang magiging issue namin.
Dapat
Yes.
may
Tomorrow.
6 months.
But we will address that immediately and we will, of course, inform everyone regarding that.
Oo.
Thank you so
Issue.
much.
Parang
Thank you,
binibigyan
High
natin.
Society. That came from the High Society. Now we go to
Low society. How cheap? Cheap society daw sabi ni Sir Tony. It's not, may cut-off ba tayo on the number of franchisee including overseas? Or
No. The more the merrier. Oo. Kasi actually, ang daming gustong mag-join. Pero ang nangyayari, like, example, can I cite an example? Alito yung ating, one of the local directors, Michael Bristol, of course, ng Laguna, MUPH Laguna. So they got the whole province already. And then they got component city pa. So, sila talaga yung first natin na priority. So, we will not allow others unless they will get the whole province. So, pwede yun. So, ang daming ganon. Kagaya ng Cebu, they got the whole of Cebu province. Tapos,
May Cebu City pa sila.
5 actually, no?
4.
4, pero meron pa sila 5 rounds. 5 or 6.
2 more.
Oo. So, yeah, maybe 6.
Under
So,
one
6
organization
rounds.
po ito.
Ha?
Under one organization sa Cebu.
1 LD lang.
Wow.
1 local director lang siya. Oo. Kasi parang wala nang pumasok. Gusto niya siya. Siya na rin. Kasi medyo mahirap naman talaga. You will be competing with each other. So it's going to be really hard. Right? Mr. Michael?
Paano, Miss Max, paano pag gano'n? Pag example, may isang gusto na city or municipality or within the province, how do you deal with it? Talagang outright no? Or napag-usapan?
Napapag-usapan. Actually, we allow naman. We allow. Pero since there are a lot of local directors that has been very loyal, so parang wala kaming magawa, we will ask them first. So, kagaya again, Laguna for instance, yun, they got the whole province and meron pa rin silang mga cities na kukuhanin.
May nakikita kami lumalabas na mga... paano dinidil yun ng isang provincial franchisee?
Actually, meron meron sila na
Dadaan sa kanila.
amin. But of course, with due respect to the LDs, kailangan namin syempre yung kapagpaalam sa kanila.
Correct. Oo.
So possible na 100 candidates tayo.
Huwag na
Possible.
mo. We'll see. Kasi ngayon, ang dami talagang gusto. Ang dami talagang gusto. Nakakatuwa.
Ipahabol po akong question. Is it okay na, pwede niyo po bang i-disclose sa amin kung how much po ba yung rate? Na, for example, kung province or municipality. Para at least we have idea na rin po.
Pag high society talaga, kailangan ng presyo. Anyway, I am so sorry. We cannot disclose it. But we can just tell you how do we categorize or how do we define or paano namin sabihin sa estimate or kung paano na kami nagbibigay ng rates. So, we classify it according to their categories of the province or city. Component, independent, or highly urbanized. Pero yung highly urbanized, dalawa yun. Meron kasing Cebu province, highly urbanized siya pero hindi siya highly urbanized lang. More pa, kasi dalawa yung category ng highly urbanized. Dalawang, mas grabe pa. Like here, highly urbanized naman ang Quezon City, Makati, Taguig, or Parañaque, pero merong mas mataas pa sa highly urbanized, like Makati. You cannot compare Makati to Pasay. So, parang gano'n.
Hi, Ms. Max and Mama Ru. Christian pa from the Grand Philippines. So, some provinces or some localities may have been crowning their queens pa lang po. And meron pa rin naman po na nag-a-appoint. So far, dun po sa mga list na nakapag-sign up na po sa inyo, do you think, because last edition is Bardagulan.
Yes.
Ito po, so far po doon sa list na ito, or yung mga nakapag-sign up na, do you think Bardagulan siya or mas pa or ano po ang saan?
Yes. As I've said kanina, MUPH 2024 has been termed as Bardagulan. But this time, you will label it as Puksa. Kasi, ang tindi, may mga actresses, may mga, from different networks, may mga beauty queens, meron din tayong mga models, new faces din, pero marami rin mga familiar faces and talagang puksaan talaga. That's the term.
Miss Mags, pwede po paulit? Like, celebrities from...
Celebrities, yes. From different networks.
Ang maglalaban next year.
May lalaban.
May lalaban.
Beauty queens. Ulitin ko, beauty queens. Famous personalities like models.
How about yung like for example last year meron tayong entry na
Sa Miss Universe Quezon City na senior citizen. How about for 2025? Meron pa?
So far, wala pa.
Wala.
So far, wala pa. Hinihintay ka pa. Wala pa so far. Wala. So, abangan ang puksaan.
You get mga baguhan, mga newbies, magaganda.
Kahit yung mga baguhan, ang gagaling. Ang gagaling, mga doctors, mga magna. Mga ganun, mga magna. Ganyan. Talagang bakot. Hindi magnanakaw. Magna cum laude. Hindi ko lang kasi tinuloy. Magna cum laude, mga ganyan. Mga mag square. Hindi. High society.
On a different note, you are a well-known designer. So will your creations be showcased during the pageant?
Yes. Kasi pag hindi, walk out. This is brought to you by Mags, ha?
Of course.
Yes.
Special participation ba si Andre, sa mga activities or events ng Miss Universe Philippines?
Of course, depende sa production ng Miss Universe Philippines. And Andre is with Viva Artist Management already, so I cannot tell. They will decide. Kaya kung nag-Viva na siya para sa kanya, siya na sila na lang mag-manage. Anyways.
Okay, another question po. Medyo
Sensitive.
sensitive. Pero hindi naman ganun ka-sensitive.
Minus to pag
Wait. Kuya Juna, wait.
Because there's one transgender candidate who is joining an ongoing national regional search. If she wins, will she be allowed to enter the national search?
Okay. I'll answer that. It's not valid daw. Wala daw law sa Philippines which legalizes the being transgender
As a woman.
as a woman. And as a man, yung magpalit ka ng sex or gender mo, hindi daw allowed
Wala
sa
pa.
Philippines. Wala pang
Law.
sa Philippines. So sa ibang bansa, they're
Allowed.
allowing it. So because merong law. But sa Philippines, wala pang law. So hindi namin alam kung paano at anong rason kung bakit makakasali, if ever.
Actually, that's one of our topics also tomorrow if we are going to allow this. Of course, everybody's welcome naman, even abroad. Pero, of course, kung transgender, welcome yan. Ang problem lang, here in the Philippines, it is not yet legalized to change your gender.
Yeah.
But in the other countries, allowed sila. So, okay lang sila mag-compete with other countries. But
If she has legal documents.
actually, nagpakita siya ng legal documents. But we will check on that. We'll investigate everything and we'll get back to you.
Kasi wala pa siyang passport.
Passport is very important. That's the most legit and legal na.
Okay.
Kasi nakapag-produce siya ng birth certificate, pero madali lang kumuha ng birth certificate.
Aside.
I'm so happy na at least na aware about the NUPH Pampanga.
Actually, even them, they're aware na hindi pa 100% sure itong pagpasok niya. Pero the girl is actually very pretty.
Pero walang problema naman sa NUPH, right? You accept anyone.
Yes. Walang problema sa amin at all.
Pero pag-uusapan natin in competing
The legalities.
the legalities kasi for now wala pa talaga hindi pa siya legalized. But tomorrow we'll be having a meeting with their president, Jonas Lapud, so mafa-finalize yan tomorrow. But they are aware of that, na hold muna tayo.
Okay, aside for the opportunity to represent the country in the Miss Universe and other international pageants, exciting rin ba ang magiging prizes for 2025?
Maganda. Hopefully. Pero I'm sure gagawa niya ng paraan. That's why it's going to be bigger and better. Diba? So it's going to be bigger and better. Bigger prizes, bigger